سهلنا والجبل مملك للرجال قولنا والعمل في سبيل الكلام لا للوطن للعلا للعلم كلنا للوطن شيخنا والفتى عند صوت الوطن حسنها بالفتى زاورت للفتن شرقنا قلبه أبدا ركنا صانه ربه لمدى الأزمان لا للوطن للعلا للعلم كلنا للوطن بحره بره قرة الشرقين رفقه بره مالك القطبين اسمه عزه منذ كان الجنود مجده أرزه رمزه للقلوب لا للوطن للعلا للعلم كلنا للوطن
Welcome. Wow, so many of you. Welcome to the Business Opportunities in Lebanon 2016 conference. We have been holding this conference annually since 2003, and many of you here today have participated in our past conferences, a sign of loyalty that make us feel gratified. This conference is being organized under the theme Cutting Edge. This is because to be a winner in challenging times, business people must arm themselves with cutting-edge technology and techniques, cutting-edge management, and cutting-edge marketing in order to bring to market cutting-edge products and services. We have prepared 15 panels in a variety of sectors and specialties. These panels include the most knowledgeable and avant-garde business leaders in the market. They will share with us their tried and tested knowledge, backed up by examples and real-life local case studies. It is a format that has made this series of conferences the most attended and the most diversified in terms of business, as well as an ideal occasion for business networking. Before we start our program, I would like to acknowledge some of the contributions that have made this conference possible. To the panel of moderators, presenters, and case study presenters, thank you. You are the reason why we have such a big crowd of people who have come here, especially for the content of the conference, especially to hear you. Due to the quality and depth of the program, the crowd does not usually leave directly after the opening, but remains till the end. Also, thank you, the audience, who by being here are demonstrating your eagerness to go forward and better your skills. Our sponsors, who, through being cutting edge, are growing and succeeding, have shared some of their resources for this conference, for which we offer our gratitude. BankMed has always been on our side. Bank Audi and Lexus, who have returned to our side, and Cascada Village, a newcomer to the mall sector, and to being our sponsor. Thank you also, Blombank, who has sponsored our conference registration system. Thank you to the many companies who are participating in our exhibition outside. Please visit their booth to learn more about what they have to offer. I would like to single out our content partner, the Real Estate Association of Lebanon, REAL, who has actively worked with us in identifying interesting themes and cutting-edge panelists. Also, a big thank you to Maya Aranouh from Tag Brands, who has worked tirelessly by our side to make sure our marketing track is top-notch. To her credit, it has attracted the largest number of registrants to date. We are delighted to have organized this conference at the Movenpick Hotel. They have given us all the attention and support needed for a conference of this size. Please do consider hiring their services for your future events. Last but not least is our family at InfoPro. Each and every member has had an input in making today happen, from editorial, logistics, graphic design, call center, market research, IT, sales, and all other disciplines. Thank you, my colleagues. You make me proud, and Lebanon Opportunities even prouder. The program for this session will start with an address that I will make on the state of our economy. This will be followed by a progress report on the Lebanon Opportunities Green Business Initiative and the announcement of the Lebanon Opportunities Green Business Club. We will then announce our achievement awards for the year. And finally, we will turn the podium to Fondation Diane, USG, and Beritech to announce their Green Impact Awards.